Hey everybody, it's Bjorn from WP Learning Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Change DB Prefix plugin to change the prefix of your WordPress database if you didn't do that during the installation process. The reason you want to change the database prefix is because the default settings, which makes the prefix to the database wp_, are known by all of the hackers out there and all the data miners out there. So if you don't change the prefix of your database, you leave yourself more susceptible to hacking and data mining than you would if you change the prefix. And it's a really easy thing to do. It's easy when you do it during the installation, which I show you in a different video. And it's easy to do after the installation by using the Change DB Prefix plugin. So let's install the plugin. First thing you have to do is log into your admin area, hover over plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, we type in Change DB Prefix and click on Enter. It's the very first option. It shows as untested with this version of WordPress, but I've found that this plugin works just fine, just because the files that relate to the database aren't changed very often. So for this plugin, watching for whether it's untested with your version is not as important as other plugins, but you do want to make sure that you back up your database before you do something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Install. And the installation was successful. I'll click on Activate Plugin. And then under the Settings menu on the left-hand side, we now have an entry called Change DB Prefix. I will click on that. And then it shows the existing database prefix, and that is correct. That is actually what I have in there. And then you can enter the new database prefix. You can only use numbers, letters, and underscores. You can't use special characters for the database prefix. It's not like a password. You can make these as long as you want, although I don't recommend going over 10 characters, just because the longer you make them, the longer your query strings to the database will be, the slower your database will function. So you want to keep things moving lickety-split, so I recommend you choose a custom one, but you don't make it too long. And I always end mine, as you see in this one here. I'm not actually going to make a new one because I already have a custom database prefix, which you see right there. But I always end mine with an underscore. So if I do have to go and look at my MySQL database, I can tell where the prefix ends and where the table names start. If you haven't done this before, the entry for the first one will be wp_, and the second one, you type in your random string of characters, and then you click on Save Changes. The plugin runs, the database prefix is updated, and your site is a little more secure than it was 5 minutes ago. The one caveat is that you can only do this once using the plugin. So make this change, make it a prefix that you're going to keep for a long time, and you're ready to rock and roll. So in this video, we learned how to use the Change DB Prefix plugin to make your site more secure from hackers and data miners. I hope this video helps you. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WP Learning Lab. Please make sure you like this video, leave your comments below or any questions you might have. Check out our social media feeds and check out wplearninglab.com, where I write about WordPress every single day. Talk to you soon.